Dro Gang is the name and we coming hard. The real definition of a lawyer ass squad. Don't come with that faking, we pulling your card. Fuck with none of y'all niggas, cause most of y'all fraud. We get into that paper, got no time for no haters. It's our time now, don't give a fuck who up later. Your clizzies looking stupid cause they bumping our music. Independent record label, don't you confuse it.
Dro Gang, Dro Gang.
You already know it. The money making team, we ain't talking, we gon' show it.
Dro Gang, Dro Gang.
You already heard, let the money talk for us, we ain't gotta say a word.
Dro Gang, Dro Gang.
You already know it. The money making team, we ain't talking, we gon' show it.
Dro Gang, Dro Gang.
You already heard, let the money talk for us, we ain't gotta say a word.
Dro Gang young and I be shining and diamond. I be flexing and stunning, getting money and grinding. I be posted with the gang, boy, we bout it for real. Dro Gang getting this bitch, don't give a fuck how you feel. Got a shooter for your shooter, you ain't fucking with mine. I got chopper, I got stuff, I got gauge, I got whack. If you got a problem, pussy nigga, meet us outside. We bout that shit, be talking, you be playing, you lying. Poppin' big shit, boy, you know that we with it. Keep on fucking around, I'ma bust at your fitty. We ain't playing with you niggas, boy, you losing, we winning. Dro Gang to the end, fuck the rest of you niggas. Huh?
Dro Gang, Dro Gang.
You already know it. The money making team, we ain't talking, we gon' show it.
Dro Gang, Dro Gang.
You already heard, let the money talk for us, we ain't gotta say a word.
Rap God, who want problems? I'm the rap god, bitch, I turn your booth to an altar. I'm posted in your hood in my D-boy stance. Keep a hammer, couple shots to make a nigga hammer dance. Been about a check, I'm trying to run up on some bands. I ain't shit to play with, I hope you pussies understand. I'm in the booth with a gauge, she'll shut a nigga down. My hot boys throwing packs every time he come around. I'm on fast side with fast ass, we smoking gas, we mad high. I'm Dr. Jekyll, I'm Mr. Hyde, you don't wanna meet that other guy. LLD, LML, Scotty Jordan, that's me and stuff. Beat a bitch till I'm out of breath. Dro Gang, we up next.
Dro Gang, Dro Gang.
You already know it. The money making team, we ain't talking, we gon' show it.
Dro Gang, Dro Gang.
You already heard, let the money talk for us, we ain't gotta say a word.
Cruising down the street, bumping my 612. Gang, gang, same thing, flicking the 12. 30 on my hip while pushing the Vic. If a nigga try us, then 30 I spit. Got a hitter for your hitter, ain't nothing to me. If it's all about a dollar, then it's nothing to me. Hanging out the V sideways, cutting to 3. 5 side down the ride, we be running these streets. Cause the hitters in the hood are always hard. Don't talk that trash, we'll pull your car. No, nothing in life but to be legit. Don't quote me, boy. This Eazy-E shit, huh?